Hey all, in this video I want to explain about how I am studying or how the Super Simple Highlighter extension, Super Simple Highlighter extensions really help me for online studying, So this is what Super Simple Highlighters, you can download from the Chrome Web Store itself, I have tried many. I have tried a lot of online based commenting tools. Okay, so usually I have a habit. I have a habit of styling the text or underlining, highlighting, and strike out. In fact, so strike out, not deleting. Strike out the some of the text. Let it be. Mostly I was reading PDF files. Mostly I was reading more than 15 years. I was used PDF files to read the document. So at that times I used Sodo. Sodo.com. Sodo.com. So it's a really very good app. It's available for Windows as well as it's available for online. This is good for reading PDF files. But for past 2 years, I have to study only the online document because of most of the there are two reasons. Now for some of the things, though PDF files are there, that may be outdated. At the same time, if you want to get some latest documentation, of particular product, then we have to depend on the online products. So that means online offline documents, so online documentations. So online documentation is purely HTML page. It's a purely HTML page. Here also I want to do this kind of highlighting. Again I can remove that. Like this I can remove. For all these steps I have tried many of the Google extension. Among them, Super Simple Highlighter really helped me. In fact, sometimes I moved away from Super Simple Highlighter. Again I came back. Why I tell you. There are free as well as trial. Some things are there trial. They take whatever you are highlighting into their cloud storage and they bring back. When you are reopening your stuff. See, if you are opening this page in your browser, you will not have. So that means it is all the highlights everything stored within my local box. Within my local box. So if I open this browser, this page again, in this computer or in this browsers, then all the text will be all the highlights will be reloaded automatically. That is what. Say, let me open it. Let me refresh it. You will come to know. First it will have the plain text, that is what comes from the internet, from their site. After that only, you can see, right? So this is what came from the internet. Now the Super Simple Highlighters walk through this page, and it's all of its content, all of its highlighted contents. Then it will update this page. So it may be, see, you can see the content came, but still it's loading. But the thing is, what is now, because of my as of now I am having more than 6 MB of document, 6 MB of document, of highlighting. Otherwise it will be pretty fast. But still it's really good, I would say. These are the let me go to the technical stuff about this one. Here you can see styles. Here I have defined these are the styles. As of now, by default it comes something few or 6 or something. You can define whatever style you want by using new styles. By the new style, will create a new style, you have to select the only background color and font colors. Only these two I think you can do. And opacity. You can say this is a name. Test. What is the background color you need, we can select. Then, and what is the text color you need, something whether something like that. So this is what you have created styles. For Google Chrome browser support, sorry, not Google browser. This Super Simple highlight support only keyboard shortcut for only for first 10. First 10. How come it 11? I don't know. They will say only only 10 they are for very first styles they are supporting the keyboard shortcuts. So you can set the keyboard shortcut like this, right? How you can do now? Extension, right? Where is extension? Where is the extension settings? No. Extension, here you can see the keyboard shortcut, right? Okay, this is because you can you can have your name, okay, and you can what, okay, yeah, good. Okay, you can add your shortcuts. Okay, by default it will empty, you can add. Okay, that is what that's how you can add the extension. So obviously the super simple highlighter support the keyboard shortcut. That is one thing. Second things, you no need to have any you no need to have any storage account. Okay, so all of your highlight is stored here itself. Okay, so I would recommend, or I do take backup for every weeks at least. Okay, so if you can go for export your files. Okay, if you export your files, it will export. Okay, whatever whatever the highlights are done across the many pages, across many site. Okay, by using this plugin, that's it. Okay, so and you can import, let's say you have bought new computer, or you have logged in another new computer, or your friend's computer, something there also you want, or else you want to share with your friends. Okay, or you want to share with your friends. Okay, then that time also you can do. Okay, okay, then that time also you can export and import. Okay, that is second benefit. So the third one is it put lot of styles. Okay, a lot of styles. Okay, then you can see how what are the things are till now is kind of complete history. Okay, okay, so you can see whatever the things I have highlighted here, all the things is listed here. Okay, all the things are listed here. Okay, that is what this one. And but unfortunately what I cannot strike out. Okay, so what is I create some color. Okay, see here some gray color. If you want to strike out something, okay, I will go here, strike out something. Okay, that's how I assumed, or I perceived that. Okay, so that is what. Okay, you can create any number of colors, but fortunately, unfortunately, only 10 colors for first 10 styling only you can have the keyboard shortcut, but remaining thing you have to depend on your right click menu. So right click menu you can do like this. Okay, okay, so that is what super simple highlighter. I think I have explained style, keyboard shortcut, backup. Okay, yeah, now what is now, so usually what I do create backup for every week, or at least after completion of every topic. Okay, so I will keep that file in my Google Drive as well. Okay, so wherever I go, I will download from the Google Drive and install this plugin. Okay, but maybe some of the machines you may not support. But one more thing I want to tell you, if you are using the Edge browser, now Edge browser built on top of Google Chrome engine, right? So your Edge browser also supporting this type of the plugin. What are the plugins are you are able to run in the Google Chrome browser? All those plugins you can run in the what Edge browser as well. Okay, so that's how it is benefit. Super simple highlighters, really good. Okay, and I think let me stop here itself. I want to tell you how I'm using keep and notes. Okay, later I'll tell you. But one things I want to tell you, I have tried many of the online tools. Many online tools are there, even trial free something. Okay, even free tools also there, but the storage will be cloud. So what is the advantage? You don't need to take backup and restore. What is now? You don't need to take backup and restore. Okay, here we are doing right. So that stuff you don't need to do. But that must not have that much free, or I feel some difficult to use them. Okay, kind of notes along. Okay, notes along. I think you can see, right? Notes along. Node, yes, yeah, notes along. Okay, notes along is kind of tools. Okay, so it's some of the things are there. Okay, I have secured some of the other tools. Okay, but so that's why those tools really free. Really, some of the tools are not comfortable. Okay, so again I see I tried it searching many times. I tried it to keep see any other tools. Okay, but at the last I realized, and again I came back to the super simple highlighter Chrome plugin for annotation. So you can using this, you can annotate any of the web page, any article site, wherever you go. Okay, you can do that stuff. Okay, I thought to share. Okay, I thought to share this plugin because there can be people like me. Okay, they want to do some highlighting, underlining, styling while reading the text. Okay, in the online. Okay, online content, for online content. Okay, so so obviously this is really good, useful for them rather than many other tools. But if you are paying, there are a lot of some tools are there, but paying also is good. But I don't want to pay anything. But okay, so so that's why it's a tool. But let me go to this tool when it was recently updated. It's a version 4.3. Okay, so let me go to changelog. almost 2019 I think. Okay, after that there was no update. No version. Huh? Then how we can, I'll go here, Chrome web store. Huh? Here we can search extension Super Simple Higligher. Okay, that's how I'll get it. Super Simple okay. My network somewhat slow, bear with me. Yeah, okay. So this is what that extension. Let me check when it was recently, when it was the update, but it's more enough, sir. Okay, it's more enough. But what is the advantage? I mean, what is the feature I'm expecting now? At least if they are update syncing with my Google Drive at least once in a day, that's well and good. Not then and there, at least once in a day, that will be well and good. Okay, so here you can see when it was last version. Okay, July 2019 it was last update. But otherwise it's really good. It's enough, quite enough for me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay.